Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Inn of Secrets. Thank you for all those people who have hit a like button and who have subscribed my channel, and those for the new one who are going to watch my channel. Please like and hit the subscribe button, and please watch the video till the end, right? And whatever guidance the tarot is going to give me, I'm going to just share that with you all. So today's reading we are going to do for the zodiac sign of Aries, right? Aries are the people who are born on March 21st to April 19th. So basically it's a fire sign. So let me just tell you a little bit about Aries, like what kind of people are they? They're very passionate, motivated, right? Very passionate people, you can say, confident, leadership quality, right? Temperament is there, but they don't really get angry. But once they get angry, it's very difficult for them to like cool down. They take a little bit of more longer time than other people, right? And yeah, they get frustrated when they try harder for something and the result is not there. So they do get frustrated sometimes. Very good friends, okay, and they gel with people very fast. Any friends can just rely on them, they can have full trust in them. So these are the qualities of Aries. So let's start the reading. So this reading is basically for the month of August. It can cover up your relationship, your finance, and your growth, your work field. So everything little we are going to see like how it's going to be for the month of August. Okay. So whatever resonates, please take it, and whatever doesn't resonate, please leave it. So let's see what's the guidance of the tarot card for Aries. Let's see what the angels are going to guide you and how are the cards going to be. So just close your eyes and remember whichever god or goddesses you believe in. See, every month is a new beginning for everyone, right? If we had a bad, like maybe like July was a mixture month with a lot of good things, with a lot of new beginnings, or maybe it was not that good. So we are hoping for the month of August to be good. So we're going to see how it's going to work, right? Just be focused on the card. And if anyone wants to get a personal reading, when you do a personal sessions, it is basically for you, it's a general reading. So when you take like one person at a time reading, that is much better. We get energetically in touch with the energies, right? So the reading becomes more specified for someone. So if anyone needs a reading, do contact me on my email and we'll get back to you. Okay. I'm also a healer, so anyone wants to take any kind of healing, like a Reiki healing, so they can contact me in the same mail ID where they can take a healing sessions. Or if they want to heal the relationship, or if they're having some kind of issue in their life, you can take a healing sessions from me. As you know that Reiki is also done in distance healing, right? So let's see the cards. Let's see. Okay, so just want to. Okay. Fine, fine. Okay. So I'm just going to touch all the card and then I'll go, like side by right. How is it going to go? Let's see. Okay, for Aries, I can see like if I'm starting the card, like it's a tower movement. Tower movement is, like ending of something. Or maybe you have built something and it has just come down. It has come down crashingly. Maybe it also looks like a relationship, like which you had a lot of hope and expectation has just come down. Maybe you have broke up with that person and things have just come to a end, right? It's a tower movement. And but like what I can see, like your character is in a fool right now. Fool is a person who's not bothered about anything so much. So maybe the tower movement has made you a little bit depressed, but you have come out of it and right now you're focusing more on your finance. I can see that whatever business or finance, whatever work you have joined, or you're working in any big company, or you've started your own work. So you're making a good money in the month of August. I can see a lot of finance improvement. whatever was lagging behind in the month of July, I think in August you're getting a very beautiful growth in the work of finance. Like for people who are working, maybe a hike in a salary, or maybe even a more better position can be offered to you where your salary is going to be double the amount. Okay, because I see a good growth of finance, right? Like so many months you had a finance, but I can see like that finance was just like okay, like it was covering up all your expenditure, but like something extra where you can like save it as a savings, or you want to purchase something, so something extra was not happening. Whereas in the month of August I can see a good growth in finance. So now for Aries, like I would like to just clear up this Tower card, because I really want to see why is this Tower card coming here. First let me just I think it's better I finish it off. So see, there is also a sad moment card maybe in the month of July, like you people have undergone hard a broken phase, and that has given you, even though you have come out in a very confident person, you don't bother, but there were times that you had a very sleepless night. Okay, I mean unable to sleep, maybe it was like a workload problem, a lot of work, at the same time relationship issue, maybe you were not having a good term with your married partner, like a lot of things are going up in your life. But what I can see is like you have really come out of it with the like King of Swords are those people, they really know how to fight the battle, they really know how to come out of that particular difficult time, right? So you have done that, but you are like you're regretting and losing something. That's what I'm seeing. Like right now, you don't want to have a lot of, because basically see, Aries are people who want to have a lot of friends around, right? They gel up with people very well, but right now your card is showing that in the month of August you just want to be alone and you want to focus more on your finance part rather than any relationship issues, right? So but what I can see is um, whatever work you are doing, right, you are going to move forward, you are going nothing is going to stop you, whether it is a breakup phase, whether it is losing a job, whether your business is not doing well, but this is not going to stop you. You are going to come out of it like a warrior, where you are going to move forward, and lot of financial gain is there in the month of August. I can see a lot of financial gain. Yes, there is also a Page of Cups, or a new beginning, or maybe someone comes forward with a friendship offer. A very good news is also going to come very soon. You're going to have a good news, maybe it can be from your work, work field, or maybe it can also be in your relationship. Okay, so let me just clear out this card for Tower, because I don't know why this Tower card has come. So let us just see for the Tower card. Okay, can you see the Tower card? Just show you the Tower, but I want to clarify a Tower card. If you're not seeing, just show it. See, this is the Tower card, so I really want to clarify this card, because why is there a Tower card, right? It's like, so let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, like for Aries, basically I think this Tower card is not for your business, it's basically for your relationship. That's what I'm seeing. That means some of the Aries have undergone a breakup phase, right? I mean, they have been, maybe someone has cheated you very badly and you have taken a full courage to end the relationship. Maybe you had given a lot of chances to this person to, like come up and tell you the truth, or, to ask forgiveness, but that never happened. So you took a stunned decision to end the entire thing. I can see a Lover's card. So like whatever is happening, a Tower movement was very much needed. Maybe you were in a long-term relationship, maybe you were in live-in relationship, or even a marriage where you can see that the partner was not at all truthful to you. So like you have taken a stunned decision to end those things. You don't want to take forward the relationship, move forward. That's where the Tower movement is being seen here. But angels are guiding you. There's a Wheel of Fortune, there's a good progress in your life there, and very soon there is going to entry of a new person, or maybe there are two chances. Is maybe a lover is going to come back and want to get want to start afresh again. But if the relationship is very toxic, if you're not ready to accept it, there's also a new person coming into your life, because I can see a very matured lady coming into your life, who is with more of very ambitious, very mature, understanding, caring. So she's going to have all good qualities, and she's going to stand beside you. A new person's entry is going to happen in the end of August. Good news are going to come. So whatever time that you had spent, like crying or staying alone in June or July, I mean, you have come out of that. I mean, yes, definitely for few months you didn't wanted to get along with anyone, so you were into a position of a hermit. But now gradually you're opening yourself, you want to come out of it. But this person, whoever is coming into your life, it can be a male or it can be a female, is going to you're going to meet that person in your work front, maybe like a good friend who likes you from before but have never come and proposed you. This time, they're going to be beside you. Even in your breakup times, this person has stood beside you like a good friend, right? So now they will come forward and they're going to just open up their hearts out to you. So this was there for the Tower movement. Yeah, okay, so I can see a very, very beautiful card for Aries. um Few for certain decision, please don't take decisions from your heart, you take it from your mind. Okay, sometimes be very cautious whatever decision you are going to make, whether it's a relationship, whether it is a job. So I know you love making friends and all, but right now in the month of July, I think you had been a little bit aloof from everyone. You wanted to, heal yourself from certain situation that was not good for you, but you are coming out of it, and you're going to come out of it very well. And whoever the person is there who's going to come into your life is going to stand beside you, and she or he is not in a hurry to go into a very serious relationship, but is standing beside you. They will come with a very good proposal to you. Okay, now it is up to you whether you want to accept the proposal or not, or you want to stay alone, right? So good news are there. Good news can be for those people who are waiting for to go abroad or start working, or for those people who had applied for new jobs in some other cities. Okay, there are going to be very good news coming very soon. Or it can also be from your partner who is going to come forward and propose you. So there are a lot of good things for Aries, right? So the Tower movement is going to be healed because you are more focused on your finance. So definitely in today's time, right, finance is also very, very important. Whatever work field, whatever job you are doing, whatever business, your total focus is there 100% in that work. That's why I can see a good growth of money there. So finance is not going to be a problem for you at all in the month of August, right? So if you if you want to go somewhere and work there, that will also be good time to move. If anyone has decided to change a company, or if anyone has decided to go to some other country for work or even for studies, the visas are going to come. I mean, something very good news are going to happen, right? So let's cross our fingers and wait for the good news to happen. So this was a reading for the month of August for Aries. So yes, Aries are a very passionate person, right? So but right now, because of the breakups and a lot of disbalance in their life, they have become a little bit of lonely, which is not a character of Aries. But yes, sometimes we do take a little bit of alone time to heal ourselves. So that is very much okay, right? It's okay. It's if it's for a short duration time, because when you are alone and you think about a lot of things and you start healing yourself, you start talking to yourself, and you know like where you have, if you have gone wrong, then you try to understand and figure out where you have gone wrong. Or if there were some people who are manipulating you, you are trying to see, or know those people very well, right? So these are the things I can see. New beginnings are there, good news are coming up, finance is going to be very strong. Only thing is that the loneliness was killing you, maybe because even it can also happen with some sector of people, like you had started something, and if it is not with a relationship, if the Tower card is coming, it can also be for those people that you had started as some kind of business which did not do very well, and you want to that business has to be shut down. It's okay even if you have to do that. If the business is not having a good profit and you want to shut down, you can do that, and you can invest in some other things, because I think going for some other work where the finance growth is good is always a good decision, right? But according to the card, it's more got to do with the relationship, the Tower card, right? So that's it. This is a reading for Aries. So let's see what is the angelic message for Aries, right? I always believe in angels a lot, and I hope you people also do, because angels always guides us. So let's see what are the angelic message for Aries in the month of August. Okay. See, angels are always guides us. Angels can be in a form of your god or goddesses, whomever you pray, right? So let's see the guardian angel. Okay, Aries, so let's see what is the angelic message for you for the month of August. We are going to see. Okay, Archangel Raphael, you are blessed to attract the angelic card of Archangel Raphael, brings health, healing, and abundance. He will help you to develop your intuitions and inner visions. Call on him if you need help in these areas now. He also protects travelers during journeys, so this is a fortunate card if you are about to travel. Okay, as I told you that there was a travel card, right? If you are a healer or wish to be one, Archangel Raphael will direct pure divine energy to you. He works on the green ray of healing and balance, so visualize yourself surrounded by a clear green light and evoke his guidance. So like these messages are, the angel is telling you that you have to take the help of Angel Raphael. Okay, there are different angels with different names and they have a different healing touch. Basically for Aries, they're saying, you see, definitely when you are going to travel, there is a travel card in your card tarot reading, right? I told you that you might be traveling somewhere from abroad country, good news are going to come. So if you are going to travel, so, whether you're traveling or not, it's always good to meditate sometimes and visualize whenever you get a morning time where you can visualize yourself and just feel a beautiful green ray of light is just coming from your crown chakra and surrounding you. Visualize that, because it acts like a protection for you. So no matter where you travel, whatever you do, whether you start some new work, whether you join some new company, or you are going into new relationship, always seek a blessing of the angels or whichever god or goddesses you have, right? So if any of the Aries are into a healer, if they're a healer, so Archangel Raphael is going to give you a very good guidance. Okay, so this was the reading for Aries. I hope this August month is going to be full of blessing to you people, and keep watching my channel. So some more, maybe some more readings I'm going to come with Aries, maybe their love life or even different cards reading I'll be doing very soon. So hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching me. Please subscribe my channel and give a like button. Thank you.